We are having an awesome day. Right now we are on the Cherohala Skyway, but we started the day riding in the parade with Lace Racing Gear's motorcycle rally. It's a women's motorcycle rally that this year was held in Fontana Dam, North Carolina. If you're a woman who has never participated in an all-women's rally, all I can say is do it. Don't wait. These experiences are so impactful, and you'll meet women who will be part of your tribe for life. They share our passion in a way that's different than our male counterparts.
And now I am on a group ride riding the eastern side of the Cherohala Skyway that is being led by Rhonda of Rolling with Rhonda, and she also has Jack on the back. Jack is not with her. It's a 10-month-old dog who loves motorcycles. He has stayed home and is not with her on this trip, but Rhonda sold everything she had when she retired and went on the road for 3 years. And during that time period, she ended up getting sponsored by Law Tigers. There was a contest that they were holding. I believe the year was 2017. She had to send in a video about why she rides and had a lot of support, and she ended up winning it and was sponsored by Law Tigers for, I'm not sure if it was the whole time, but for a period of time, and would share her motorcycling adventures. You can check her out on Facebook and Instagram. She also does public speaking. She's a retired teacher, so a really good communicator. 3 of us had our Sennas connected, and for the majority of the ride this afternoon, we have just been talking and getting to know each other. We rode down to where the turnoff was to go see the waterfalls, and we went down the road, but it was a cut-off gravel road, and so we had to turn around. We did have one bike that went down in the gravel, but teamwork is a dream work. Got it up, and we took some time on the side of the road just to make sure everyone was relaxed and feeling ready to ride again. No one got hurt, not even the bike. So we're gonna just head back. So beautiful. You see the Blue Ridge above there? Oh, these mountains are gorgeous. So pretty. But since there's a washout on the Cherohala Skyway, there are very few people out here today. I think we have about 12 more miles to go until we're at the beginning. That mile marker said 12 and a half. And we got on mile 1. This is a really pretty road during stick season because you can just see through all these trees. All that becomes open view. We have just had a fabulous. Now we're headed back over to the resort. There's going to be a group picture and a dinner tonight, but look at Melody. Holy crap, look at her cutting through these corners. You're doing great, girl. Man, she is rocking it. I cannot wait till you see this, Melody. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what practice and seat time will do. I mean, we're gonna have to find some like side-by-side comparisons from when Melody first started learning to ride. So she's been riding for almost 2 years now. She's put a gazillion miles on her bike. She's ridden cross country and down the eastern seaboard and just ridden all over the place, but she is she's doing great. Oh man.
Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and take a minute to subscribe, and check out the comments for the registration link to sign up for Lace Racing Gear's 2024 rally. Hope to see you there.